Hello everybody. In this video I am going to show you context menu actions. Context menu actions like copy and dictionary etc. from AndBible's side, and also find feature that you can use from Chrome, Google Chrome, or some other applications that is kind of find in Bible. So you can use AndBible to find something that you have found in web browser, for example. I'm also showing some other context menu items like compare. So let's get started. So context menu you can get when you long tap a word or multiple words like this. So this is called context menu, what pops up here. So as you see here, there are a couple of options that are related to bookmarking. I'm not covering that because bookmarking I have been covering in other videos. Compare I will be quickly showing you, and then these items are the main focus here. So let's see what are in these three dots. So there are share, copy. This is also an AndBible feature like compare. And then there are these kind of options that are not from AndBible itself, but from other applications. Dictionary is a feature or kind of application by Samsung. As far as I understand, at least it is bundled with Samsung phones, and I have used it like that. And then Translate is Google Translate. This Microsoft Note is just Microsoft Note. I am not never been using that, but like it is also pre-installed in my mobile phone. So let's start from compare. So compare is a simple feature of AndBible that you can select verses. It's actually the same feature as you can see from here. This button is doing the same thing. But you can also select by this long tap selection of verses and then compare. And what you can see is that those verses are coming in this comparison multi-translation view, and you can see them side by side, or not side by side, but like one after another. Next feature is this sharing, and it works like this. You select whatever you like, and then sharing and copying, you just click, and then there are various options how you can manipulate what you are sharing or copying, how you are copying, if it is full verse or like these full verses, or the selection only, and other options that you see here. You can copy to clipboard or share with Telegram or Gmail or whatever application. So like this. And now it is copied to clipboard, and you can paste it wherever you want. Then we will get to dictionary feature. For example, creeps. Let's see if I'm, as a Finnish person, I don't know what it means. I can use dictionary for that. Dictionary finds me English definition of the word, and in your mobile phone there might not be this feature because this is an external application. Then similar way I can show you this translate, which is Google Translate, and it is showing the Google Translate definition for this word, and like this. So as you see, when I'm selecting only one word, there is also this button appearing, which is allowing me to find this word creeps in this current document. So if I'm using it, I can see all the occurrences of this word in this Bible version that I'm using. So that is all from AndBible's side. Then let's go to Google Chrome. let's have, because I have a Finnish document, let's change also in AndBible Finnish translation, so it is more useful. So if I am long tapping, for example, Jumala, which means God in Finnish, in Google Chrome, I can find this button here in context menu. This is made available by Google AndBible, and if you tap that, you will see the search window for that word in AndBible. So like this, you see all the occurrences of word Jumala appear here. And you can open whatever you like to the Bible view. So this is it. I hope that you learned something new from this video. As always, I will put video link to the description where you can support AndBible project financially. That is highly appreciated. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.